Hello friends, Vince Burlapp here. Today we are talking about the new Scout SUV and pickup. You can't buy them yet, but you will, and pretty soon. Yes, just like my old friend Babs Muller, the Scout is back. And just like Babs, it's bigger than ever. I mean, just look at this. A big truck for people who don't buy trucks. It's an EV, it's a hybrid, it's whatever you'd like. Just like Babs. The interior design is pretty lovely and impressive, except for some of the trim. The pickup version tries very hard to appeal to nerds who wish for a more macho, tough guy image. A pretend life full of off-road driving, fistfights, and bar brawls. It has a flat bench seat in front, because real seats are just too comfy for the swashbuckling crowd. And wood, plenty of wood, not the classy matte finish you'd find in a German car. No, something shiny and something manly is what it is, almost like it was actually carved by a caveman. The gold metal trim doesn't help either. The whole thing has a fake frontier look some modern geeks might like. That front bench seat is, of course, pretty flat. Reminds me of an old 1968 Chrysler Newport with gold vinyl seats. I wonder where the airbag for the center passenger is. You know, since it cannot really come out of that screen, right? I actually asked the Scout people, and they don't know either. I guess someone might be out of luck if anything unfortunate happens, like it often does. Like when I drove back from Fresno many years ago. It turns out adult beverages from Scotland and potholes in the night don't make for good road trip companions. Who knew? The SUV has a lot of cargo space behind the rear seat, probably enough for a couple of hitchhikers. It also has a much nicer interior, mostly because that ghastly wood trim is gone. And look at that floor mat. That is the exact color pattern my carpet had back in my Modesto days. That brings back such puzzling and questionable memories. Good old Modesto and its fistfights under the arch, and that cheap Gallo wine. In the Scout, the canvas roof folds up and opens up, just like in the Jeep Wrangler, so you can actually escape in case the driver locks all doors and starts singing show tunes. And just in case you forgot what it is or where you are, the Scout wears its name on its seats, right under your neck.